Hi, I'm Richard. These are interesting times for Australia. It's a time to support Australian business. Australian Concrete Post is an Australian manufacturing company with over 18 employees. We manufacture a range of concrete fence posts and strainers used in building Australian infrastructure, from farm fencing to roads, rail and viticulture projects. Supporting Australian Concrete Post means supporting Australia and our communities. Our manufacturing plant is in regional Australia, and a large part of our team call regional Australia home. We have in excess 100 local Australian suppliers who call Australian Concrete Post their customers. They range from freight companies, maintenance contractors, cleaners, printers and training providers. Some of our suppliers are large and some are small, but all our suppliers are Australian businesses. We are an Australian company providing products in Australia for Australians. Over the past 7 years, our business is recognised as a manufacturer of environmental solutions and innovation in new fencing products. We have in excess of over 3,000 local farmers all over Australia who we have supplied concrete fence and posts and strainers to. At Australian Concrete Post, trust and integrity guide all our decision making and defines how we engage with our customers and with our suppliers. It all guides our innovation and our product development, all performed here in our Australian factory in regional Australia. In these interesting times, Australian Concrete Post continues to manufacture a range of concrete fence and strainer products to meet the needs of our customers, from large road and rail infrastructure projects to the local farmer. We help fence farms that have cattle, horses, pigs, goats and any type of livestock. We have helped with the Pacific Highway upgrade, with our posts being used by the Department of Main Roads to construct fences for emus, koalas, kangaroos and other native animals. We have even designed a fence to prevent endangered frogs from getting run over on the Pacific Highway. We have supplied vineyards with trellising in a wide range of farm uses, ranging from custard apple orchards, vineyards and even large commercial dragon fruit farms. Now is the time to rally behind our communities and behind Australian business. We need to look out for each other and promote Australian businesses. Australian Concrete Post is here for you.
Hi, I'm Alan Turon. I just wanted to take this opportunity to reassure all our loyal customers that Australian Concrete Post is very much open for business. For all our customers and suppliers, Australian Concrete Post is open across all our operations as an Australian manufacturer of concrete fence post products. Our factory is in full production and office is open for business. Our salespeople are ready to take your calls. Our logistics team are available for deliveries and can arrange delivery to your location. Our finance department is open for business to assist with any account inquiries. Clearly, we also hope you and your family, friends and loved ones stay safe in these difficult times. Australian Concrete Post has been around for the past 7 years and will be here well into the future, and we wish you well, take care and stay safe.